Turn yourself up, captivate y'all, in case there's no time left. You gotta be willing to rely on your own capacity to grow yourself. So cease to put your life in the hands of somebody else. Take a kind of desire, y'all, to belong your health. Holistically speaking, nutrition tends to increase your wealth. However, consuming those poisonous foods cause less than a premature death. Idiomatic expression, y'all, don't even hold your breath. Besides living disease-stricken, this weed too heartfelt. On the 12th of every month, if the doctor you dwell, there with the legal drug dealers, treatments all they prescribe. You are the prey that's been trapped in a scandalous bribe. You've been treated with the pharmaceutical justice to keep you alive. Adherence must be expeditious for speech or dive. Since y'all's primary resources are conducive to thrive. So solidarity, dancing and fitness is the way that I survive. That's right, that's the way that I survive. Yes sir.